Hello, my name is Rory and I have this Dewalt 12-inch compound dual bevel miter saw for sale. I'm not sure how old it is. It does come with the stand. I don't know how long it is, 6 feet, I think I want to say. All the legs fold up. There's no wheels or anything. But it does have these, it's basically a rail. This is a work guide, so you can move it closer. The whole saw, you tighten it down here, but you can slide the whole saw left or right, however you want to do that. This is just a block work stop. These fences adjust both sides. As far as the wear, it's older. I don't know how old it is, but it's in pretty good shape. It is a little dusty. I don't really use it that much. I've only used it a couple times since I've had it. Everything works as it should. It probably needs to be readjusted as far as getting everything back and accurate. There's a couple YouTube videos that I watched to do that. I haven't done any of that. There's the tool to tighten the blade, take it off. Has a really nice slide on it. I'm pretty sure it has ball bearings in it by the way it sounds. Everything okay, maybe it is a single bevel. Well, either way, usually you can make it work with that. It has all the detents on there. You can go up to 50 degrees on one side and 60 on the other. So plenty of adjustments. Don't mind me just taking the mechanism off here. Must be like a friction plate to slow the blade down once it's disengaged, which is kind of nice. I'll cut a piece of wood here. Kids, don't try this at home. I'm not very good with my phone or technology, but I am gonna just cut this piece of wood quick for demonstration. It's got a fairly new blade on it. Tomax 60 tooth, so it's a cheaper blade, but it does the job. I'll be asking for $320 for the whole setup. I'm getting rid of it because I have too much junk. I'll just give you a little glimmer without really going into a lot of detail. I just have too many little projects. I just picked up that pressure washer and it's got a bad valve in it. I have too much stuff and I don't have enough space, so I need to get rid of it. I bought it thinking I'd get into woodworking more, and I just haven't gotten to that point, so I just need to send it on its way. The only downfall to it is this, although the legs fold up and everything, it is not very space efficient. Having the big long rail system is nice and versatile, but as far as putting it in a vehicle, and hauling it is not so good unless you have a pickup truck. The saw itself is heavy. I don't know. It just seems heavier than what the newer ones are. If I had to guess, maybe this would be about 10 years old. I could be mistaken though. It is made in America. So there's the model, DW708. I couldn't find a whole lot of information on it. DW702, I think. That is just for that particular part for the rail. That I think is for the board. Oh, so that's different. So this came off of a different rail system, but either way, I'm just looking to get rid of this. It would be good for anybody who's just looking to do it yourselfer type, or I guess even doing residential work or anything like that would probably find this to be a very good saw. Asking $320. Thank you.